What's up? So OpenAI has just recently dropped their new model, actually three models, Terra, Luna, and Sol, Sol being the flagship model, and Fable, which was released by Anthropic a while ago and then sort of unreleased and then released again to the public. And then it's moving from the main plan to just being on the API. That's meant to happen today, like end of day today, actually. Yeah, and I was just like, there's so much going on. I wanted to hop on, make a quick video. So what I wanted to do today essentially was to pit them against each other. So Luna is kind of like the budget model, so fast and cheap. Terra is more like the everyday working model. And then Sol, like I said, it's kind of like the flagship model. And then you can see here some of the benchmark stuff. Obviously, Sol versus Fable is a lot cheaper in terms of input cost, output cost as well. And they're saying that it's a lot more efficient as well. So what I'm going to be doing is an identical prompt, basically just one shot, and kind of just see how long it takes them both and see what they come up with. So the prompt I've got is for a game called Angry Chicks, basically a knockoff of Angry Birds. We're going to have them build it and then see what they do. So without further ado, copy this prompt. I'm going to open them up side by side here so we can see them both kind of working. All right, so both prompts in, and 3, 2, 1, enter, and enter. Okay, so technically Saul got a little bit of a head start there, but let's let them cook, let them do their thing, see how it turns out. Okay, it looks like Codex is out ahead right now. We're on about 2.5 minutes, although Codex did get a head start. We got to discount that. Codex got a little bit of a head start. Using the in-app browser testing skill now, because it's an interactive canvas game, it will let me validate the actual rendered controls and runtime behavior, not just the file's syntax. The browser control runtime isn't exposed in the session, so I completed the available runtime checks directly and found one performance issue during review. Canvas is being resized every animation frame. There you go. It's actively fixing its own problems. It looks like Sol is done first. Even with that slight time difference, it took it 3 minutes and 1 second. This is at 3 minutes and 9 seconds, and it's still chugging away. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this since we got it. Can I just, yeah. So let's see what, whoa, okay. The game started without me doing anything. Can I restart? Okay, it's built the game, but it just runs without me. Okay, it's a game. Yeah, Saul finished first, but it's not exactly in a working state, I gotta say. It's not exactly, it's got the name right and everything. Foul play. Haha, that's pretty smart. Foul play, because it's Angry Chicks. And it looks like it's kind of colliding into some of the stuff, but those things are not, it's like gravity is too intense or something. Let's see where, can I mute this without, I'm gonna just close it. Let's see where, oh, Claude is still clawing away. All right. Let's hope this longer time frame is going to be justified by the output. What I'm thinking is I might do one more prompt, but it has to be identical to keep it fair. We'll see what Claude does. If Claude has a perfect out the box game, then Fable wins. If it needs tweaks as well, then I'll apply the same prompt. It'll just be something like fix what's wrong with this, something simple. Yo, this is taking a while. This is like double the time of Saul at this point. Imagine it just doesn't work. I'd be so disappointed. All right, we're on to the 11th minute now. Screenshots keep timing out even though the page is responsive. I'll verify render by sampling the canvas directly via JavaScript instead. Yeah, you do that. You do that, Claude. You go, Claude. Just try to hurry up. What's it cooking? What's up? Oh my god, whoa. Okay, I gotta say, oh, it's having the same gravity problem. You know what? All right. This is better. This is better than Codex. It's obviously crazy glitchy, but like fresh off the like bat, you can see, and it's trying to fix this stuff too. Look at this. Oh, look, it's standing this time. I think it's just like gravity is not stable in this world, brother. Okay, see what I mean? This is way better. Yeah, no, this is better. This is better. It's better. It's better. It took, I don't know how long it took to even get to this point, but it's better. Why is it gonna stop at any point? Am I interrupting it? I don't want to keep it running. No. Can it stop? Can it stop? I don't even know what it's doing at this point. Is it still coding? Or is it just stuck? Because it looks like it's just stuck. I don't even think it took this long for it to do this. I think it just got stuck. Yeah, this is... it's worse. Don't know what to say, but it's worse. Okay, same prompt. Fix everything that's wrong with this. Most importantly, the physics, gravity, and collision. There's the prompt. Copy it. Paste it. If I'm gonna stop it and just get, okay, thank you, stop, and just send this again. 1, 2, same prompt, same time. This time Fable got a bit of a head start, like maybe a second. Oh, come on, I gotta check out of this hotel in 20 minutes. I was gonna edit my video first. That's a pipe dream right now. Why is it giving me a lecture, bro? I just said fix it. Didn't ask for a college lecture, dude. Oh yeah, Claudius is just doing this. The Claude is like an introvert. It's not going to tell you what it's doing. It's going to just think about it. ChatGPT, whatever you want to call it. Sol is like a yapper. It's going to just be like, blah, 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 blah. Bottom line. I didn't ask you for a bottom line, bro. Is it done? If that's a done, like, that's a done. My brother in Christ. There's no way it did that. There's no way it did that. There's no way I said fix everything and it gave me a lecture. You know what? Nah, Saul, that's not it. Maybe because I put it to medium, but that's not it, bro. That's not it. I said fix everything and it gave me a lecture. Are you expecting me to fix it myself? Breakage is based on one instantaneous impulse threshold. Okay, let's read the bottom line. The biggest failures are the single point box contact, non-accumulating impulse solver, lack of warm starting, absence of continuous collision detection, aggressive positional correction, and overlapping fracture pieces. All right, Professor Einstein. Those are why the collapse cannot look consistently heavy, stable, or convincing. The proper repair is not more tuning of the current constants. The physics layer should be replaced with an embedded production engine such as matter.js or planck.js, including its source inside the single HTML file while retaining the existing artwork and interface. All right, bet, do that. I don't know if that's going to be a bit of a cheat though, because it looks like Claude. You know what? I'm gonna turn this up too. Or is that against the rules? I don't know. I'll make the rules. Let's just turn it up. Let's see what it does. Extra high. Yeah. Or you turn this up too. Max? What's beyond max? Ultra code? What? If it's like max is maximum, bro. It's not just max, it's ultra code, bro. This thing is gonna solve cancer, dude. That's what they make it sound like. I'll replace the homegrown solver with an embedded production physics engine, then rebuild the stack, destruction, trajectory, scoring, and multi-shot flow around it. The result will remain one offline HTML file with no runtime dependencies. All right, you do your thing. Meanwhile, Claudius Maximus is here doing only God knows what. The launch test caught a genuine engine integration bug before handoff, creating the chicken as static from birth. That's crazy. That's a crazy sentence. Creating the chicken as static from birth gives it infinite mass that matter cannot restore. Imagine a chicken with infinite mass. When fired, I'm fixing it by creating a normal dynamic chicken. Yeah, that's what I would do. And then temporarily pinning it. This preserves its real mass and inertia for release. I hear you, dog. So it was making the chicken just like a static thing and it just could not be moved. But they just pinned it instead, temporarily. So that way it has real mass. So when you release it, it goes. Thanks for explaining that to me in a way I can understand, Codex. You, Fable, you're hiding stuff. I don't know what you're doing behind there. It's making me nervous. I think this does expose like a big thing about the models though, because remember, it was actually DeepSeek that kind of first started showing its thinking behind the scenes. ChatGPT was like the big frontier model, and then DeepSeek kind of came out, and then they did the whole thinking thing where it showed what it was thinking. Everyone was like, "Whoa!" But it actually really is. It really is a big user experience thing because we love feeling like we're kind of like seeing what's going on. I'm not bothered to actually read the code per se, but getting little tidbits like this makes me feel like, hey, yeah, I'm contributing. I know what it's doing. This is just making me feel like, I don't know. I don't like the feeling it gives me. It makes me feel like too much of a black box. Continuing with the chick mass fix, launcher power break thresholds, and the overlapping layout fix. Okay. I guess let it do its thing. Oh, this is done. Nice, nice, nice. Let's check it out. Lickety split, because I hear my cleaning lady out there. Bruh, what do you mean? Surely not. Okay, just show me. Just show me the money. Show me the money. It's saying file not found or couldn't be accessed, brother. Okay, Claude. Oh, look at this. More permissions from Claude. My bad. Don't worry about it. Oh, look at that. Okay, give me, I open in browser. Give me, I open in browser. Now I open. Yes. Oh, look at that. Standing up. Looks like Codex may be the winner. Sol, I keep saying Codex. Sol might be the winner here. Look at that. Look at that. Does it reset? Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's bloody lovely. Look at that. Smashed the crate, didn't I? I only got 3 chicks. That's a bit bogus. Yeah, these things are too heavy. But listen, compared to what we had before, this is a game. A game's a game. You know what I'm saying? Baby girl, this is a game we got here. We got ourselves a game. This, it's standing on nothing right now. So obviously it's ways to, okay, we found a flaw. The porta potties float. But it is a game. It did build it in 2 prompts. Meanwhile, yeah, look at this though. When you change the aspect ratio, it starts looking mad suspicious. But you know what? These things can be fixed in a prompt or 2 more. The point was to one-shot it. We had to 2-shot it. For a 2-shot, I can't be mad. Now, I would like to see what Claudius gives us on a tight schedule. Let's see if we can bring it home. Bring it home now, Claude. Yeah, listen, we might have a win with Claude. If Claude pulls through, it's going to make this look like doggy doo-doo. I can feel it. It's your chance to redeem yourself, Fable 5. It's taking you only 20 minutes plus. How long was this one? How long was this one? I don't know how long that one took. It's still only taking you about 40 minutes. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Deliver. Why does it have a accent over the A's like that? Grab the chicken, A, pull back, A, release to launch. Okay, bro. Didn't realize we were Serbian. I don't know if that's actually a Serbian thing, by the way. Just chatting shit in it. Reading F4 settle JPEG. Yeah, the problem is that you can't like, okay. Listen, it's like you're always just gonna hit that exact one. Okay, let me try something novel. Yeah, that was a waste. All right, let me just try send it topwards. Nah, man, you can literally only hit that same one. Obviously, you could hit lower. Maybe I should try that. Oh, look at that. Crate down, potty down. Okay, then we're gonna go for this one. Oh, missed it. That's rough. Oh, potty pop, whatever that means. So it's not just the potties. It's all the stuff doesn't really respect gravity. Claude, come on, Claude. We've had enough of the Codex version now. We got to see what you've built. We've got to see what you built. You're talking the big talk, but you just aren't. Okay, it is done. Look at this. Okay, it's done. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Ha. Yeah, this is better. This is better. Got to admit. Yeah, you can tell from. Oh, yeah, 1,000,000%. Now that shake is doing a bit much. The shake is doing a bit much, and it looks like it doesn't stop. But listen, this is way better. All right. All right. I got to say, Fable still whoops Sol's ass. I don't know what people were talking about. Yeah, it's just about done. Approaching session usage limit. That's all right. I'm about done myself. You've seen it here first. Angry Birds. This is a 2-prompt battle. It was meant to be 1, but we got it up to 2. Technical third one for Sol because we had to be like, do that. But that's not really a prompt. We'll allow that. But yeah, look, it's definitely fixed some of what it had wrong at the start, but the physics are lacking. The responsiveness is lacking. The design is definitely lacking. Yeah, no, you could definitely polish a lot of this with a third, fourth, fifth iteration on the prompt. But yeah, it's just for the first 2, it's really just a light pass. Fable, on the other hand, has gotten a lot more involved. You can see the design is a lot better just across everything. The physics are a lot more fun. Technically, it's doing this though. It doesn't look like it stops. So this is like an error that oh look, it does stop. I was wrong. It stops. It just overdoes that. You can definitely fix that with one more prompt, but yeah, it's the physics are way better. The physics are way better. The design is better. Where it failed is this jitter. Let's see the responsiveness. Okay, responsiveness is way better. It actually responds. What else can I say? If you think about it, this cost way more. This almost used all my session limit usage. Is that for my Fable? Let's see what it's talking about. Oh, that's just like my current session. Yeah. It used like 96% of my session usage. So Sol took way less. You get more capacity, but my point is like you would be able to work for way longer with Sol versus Fable. But Fable is obviously I think it's obvious that it's the more powerful one here, even though it takes longer. It's also more of a kind of a black box with Fable. You don't really see what it's doing. But yeah, that's the side by side. Angry Chicks, the new collision-based game. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts on it. Let me know if you guys will test it. This is a very basic prompt, so I'm not going to bother including it in the video, but yeah, give it a shot yourself. Try them out, see what you like. And yeah, thanks for watching.